Hey everyone, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic here to share with you all my strike-offs for my 5th collection with Art Gallery Fabrics called Hooked. It's dedicated and inspired by my love of crochet. So for those of you who love crochet, this is a collection for you. For those of you who love to sew and never want to crochet but like the look of it, this is also the collection for you. So let's look at the prints now and enjoy, because honestly I'm so excited to play with this and I hope you all are too. Yay. Okay, so this first one, I believe it's called Wool Origins. It's all these dainty sheep that I drew. Ta-da, different colors. But then there's one alpaca with a bunch of sheep. So this is a delicate, I believe that this is like a lavender water, which is the pure solids color in the background. Love these colors. Look. You want this? Thank you, Helena. This right here is crochet hooks and a stripe. I thought this would be super clever. I always love playing with shapes and making it like an identifiable pattern, but then you don't know what it is until you look closer. Boom, shake the room. Boom, boom, shake the room. Here you go. Here's another one. And then this one, it's not quite a mauve, but it's like a purplish pink. Love this color. And this is called Spaces in Between. So instead of focusing on the actual blocks, the crochet blocks, I had some blocks and I took pictures of blocks that I had made, put it on my computer, and I put a dot in between all of the blocks where the spaces were. And this is what I created. There's a charcoal version of it too. It's like, I love this one. I love all of these, really. Here you go. This one is called If They Were Real. And what I did here was I researched all of the different crochet flowers that I saw. So flowers that are made out of crochet. And I drew them as if they were real, like with the spaces. But these are like imaginary real flowers inspired by the crochet versions called If They Were Real. Just love it. And here you go, sweetheart. And this one, I believe this is Symbols Aligned. Right here is my favorite color. I think this is tile blue. But these are all the crochet symbols that you would see. All the crochet symbols that you would see in crochet diagrams, just lined them up, made a cute little blender. You can even fussy cut some of them.
That's really interesting.
You like it? Thanks, sweetheart. So here's this one. There we go. This one is Crochet Sampler. You can see it better in the other one here. Thanks, assistant. So right here, it's 9 different blocks. Well, really just 3 different blocks. 1, 2, 3. Each one has 3 different colors. So it's a diamond of 9 different in a sampler. So this is perfect for those that like just don't want to crochet. Like, people won't know you can make cute stuff and be like, look at my crochet bag. But all the fussy cutting opportunities, this would look amazing in a quilt bag, a shirt, dresses, like really anything. I just love it so much.
Stop it.
And then this one, funny story here. So I saw these 27 different granny square blocks when I was researching for this collection. And it was by Simply Crochet Magazine. They had done a crochet along in the past where they gave the pattern diagram and instructions for all of these blocks. So I redrew each one. Designed this, took like 100+ hours to do it. Then when I was done, I was like, oh my goodness, I should have asked for permission to use this. So I reached out, they were gracious and allowed for permission. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because the collection wouldn't have been the same without this print. Like, look at, I just love the colors we chose. Here, gorgeous. I'm probably gonna do a crochet along with all of these. Just because I want to make it, I think it would be neat. Like, I didn't know there were so many granny squares, and these were only like a fraction of the ones that they had. So here's this one. And this one right here, I got this idea because I put out a question in my Facebook group. Those of y'all who are in my group might remember, but I asked for like notions and stuff that people use during crochet, and like the number one suggestion was readers, and I myself even need readers. So I was like, let's do a print that's all about readers. Super chic and classy, I think. Fussy cut, look at that. That's perfect for like a 1-inch hexagon. Look at that. Here we go. This one is the other spaces in between in charcoal. And then this one, another funny story. I was teaching a class at Bigfoot Quilts up in Auburn, Washington. And it was next door to a Mod Pizza. And this wasn't, I didn't steal this design from Mod Pizza, but they had something graphic like that on the wall at Mod Pizza. So I created my own version, once again using crochet symbols. This is hidden symbols, because it's not all about the symbols, but different symbols are hidden in here, like right here, and right here, and right here. They're just everywhere. I just thought this was clever. Right here. And then this is the final one. These are balls of yarn and hearts of yarn. Once again, these are perfect for 1-inch hexies. It's going to be easily cut up. And there's a heart ball, because who doesn't love a heart ball of yarn? So that is my newest collection that ships in August, I believe, July or August. I'll put it in the description below. But I really love making this. Y'all know that I've fallen in love with crochet, and to be able to play with crochet things on my sewing machine, wow. So be on the lookout for me combining both of those medium together somehow, some way. Can't wait to see what y'all make. And then, just to like add some fun here, let's do a giveaway. I don't have my advanced yardage yet, so my rolls, but as soon as I get it, then I will give 2 people a free fat quarter bundle, and I'll throw in some solids and stuff for you. So to win, in the comments below, just tell me which print you like the most, maybe what you would make from it, just something happy in the comments, and then I'll choose in a week from today. Once again, the specific date will be like right here and in the description below. So hope you loved it, hope you enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed making this collection and can't wait for all of you to play with it. So thanks for being on my journey as a fabric designer, and keep it positive and keep it real, and Mr. Domestic out. See Mr. Domestic out!
Mr. Domestic is out!
Are you going to be a wiggle worm or what?
I'm not going to be a wiggle.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep. 1, 2, go.
Hey everyone, Matthew of Mr. Domestic here to...
Restart.
Okay, restart. And action. Say and action.
And action!